I am from Gogras Math Hub, the private math teacher from Gogras Math Hub was a case of COVID-19 patient. That's why online classes for 12th NCERT mathematics were held up. Sorry for inconvenience. Now the private math teacher is feeling well somewhat. Therefore, today I am going to explain question number 7, exercise 6.2 equal to, so that y equal to log 1 plus x minus 2x over 2 plus x comma x greater than minus 1 comma is an increasing function of x throughout its domain. First of all, I shall introduce what is Gogras Math Hub. Gogras Math Hub is a self-oriented NGO located in Delhi in order to help the needy and downtrodden students from weaker sections. Though all concepts related to Gogras Math Hub are English, but every efforts have been made to simplify the concepts in a very simple way, so that the students from weaker section can develop the concept of understanding the things in English, so that they can't find problems while they were in higher studies. Whenever they will be introduced in BSc Honors, DU University या any university या Master of Science या MA, everything, every lectures will be delivered in English only. That's why at the beginning level itself, at 12 standard level mathematics, I have introduced the concept of English lecture, so that the student can analyze and try to make themselves understood the concept related to mathematics of NCERT 12 mathematics. Now come to the point here. Here I have written question number 7, exercise 6.2 equal to, so that y equal to log in bracket 1 plus x bracket close minus 2x over 2 plus x comma x greater than minus 1 comma is an increasing function of x throughout is its domain. Now here I shall write solution. Here you can see the given function consists of two different functions. First function here you can see log 1 plus x is a logarithmic function, and here the second function you can see here, this is a polynomial function, quotient function, this is a quotient function. This is a logarithmic function, this is a quotient function. You might have heard and learned earlier in my previous videos, all logarithmic functions and quotient functions are continuous or CTS in their domain. Here it is given restriction. Here it is given x greater than minus 1. So here I shall write, given that x greater than minus 1, given that x greater than minus 1 can be written as x belong to open interval minus 1 comma infinite open interval, because here the value of x must be greater than minus 1. This means that minus 1 will not be included. That's why I have mentioned open interval minus 1. Open interval minus 1 means minus 1 is not included and goes up to less than infinite. Infinite will not be included because after infinite open interval is available. So here I can write very well. This means that value of x can be taken as minus 1 will not be included. Minus 1, the value of x greater than minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, dot dot, but not infinite. Infinite नहीं होगा and x equal to not minus 1, x is not equal to minus 1 and x is not equal to infinite. This is the meaning. Value of x will not be equal to minus 1 and value of x will not be equal to infinite. Value of x will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Now I shall write the original function here. Here it says this function y is an increasing function. So here I shall write, since y is an increasing function. Y is an increasing function. Increasing function of x, hence y dash will be greater than 0. This is the concept we must remember. Y is an increasing function of x. This situation is there, then y dash will be greater than 0. If this condition is verified here, y dash is greater than 0, then y will be an increasing function of x in its domain. Now I shall find out y dash. So here I shall write the original function. Original function I shall take y equal to log 1 plus x minus 2x over 2 plus x comma x greater than minus 1. This one is not required. Condition restriction I have already explained here. This line. Only this one. What we have to do here? Here we have to find out. Here I shall write again implied that y dash equal to dy over dx. Y dash equal to dy over dx. So now I shall find dy over dx. So here I shall write dw dx implied that d over dx of y equal to d over dx of log 1 plus x minus d over dx of 2x over 2 plus x. This one I shall write. Here it is written dw/dx means differentiating with respect to x. So x is at later stage, the x will come in the place of denominator. A d, capital D will be converted into small d. So that's why d over dx of y. You will get here. Here in center function y is available. And denominator x is available. So y will be conjugated with d, comes out to be dy over dx equal to d over dx of log 1 plus x. We shall get 1 over 1 plus x dot d over dx of 1 plus x minus, because 1 plus x will be treated as one unit as x, d over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over x. In place of x I shall write 1 plus x. So 1 over 1 plus x I shall write dot d over dx of 1 plus x minus d over dx of 2x over 2 plus x. So what to do here? Here you can see in numerator 2x is available. In denominator 2 plus x is available. So here I shall use the quotient rule in order to differentiate the quotient function 2x over 2 plus x. So here open curly bracket. Apply here quotient rule. Quotient rule says denominator into, write here denominator into d over dx of numerator, d over dx of numerator minus numerator dot d over dx of denominator whole over टू प्लस एक्स डिनोमिनेटर का होल स्क्वायर, कर्ली ब्रैकेट क्लोज. Now Simplify this one. dy over dx equal to 1 over 1 plus x dot d over dx of 1 plus x comes out to be 1 minus, open here curly bracket, here 2 plus x will be written in one bracket. Dot d over dx of 2x comes out to be 2 minus 2x, right here 2x, d over dx of 2 plus x comes out to be 1, here write 1, because d over dx of 2 comes out to be 0 plus d over dx of x comes out to be 1, so 1 I have written, 0 will not be accounted for, and here I shall write whole over 2 plus x का whole square, I shall write. Now simplify this one once again. dy over dx equal to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus x minus, here write minus, open here curly bracket, 2 will multiply to this one, comes out to be 2 2 ja 4 plus 2x, 2 2 ja 4 plus 2x minus 2x whole over 2 plus x का whole square, plus 2x minus 2x will be cancelled out. So here we shall get implied that dy over dx equal to, now take LCM of 1 plus x and 2 plus x का whole square. So here I shall write 1 plus x, 2 plus x का whole square, 1 plus x dot 2 plus x का whole square, and 1 will multiply to this function. So here I shall write 2 plus x का whole square, 2 plus x का whole square minus 4 in bracket 1 plus x. Now simplify once again. dy over dx equal to, now 2 plus x का whole square, a plus b का whole square, use this one. Squaring of first term 2 comes out to be 4 plus squaring of second term x comes out to be x square plus twice of product of both terms, 2 2 ja 4 . 2 to the 4. Minus 4. 4 will get enter inside. Circle bracket will be broken. 1 will multiply to minus 4 comes out to be minus 4, and plus will multiply to minus comes out to be minus 4x. Here you will get minus 4x. Minus 4 minus 4x. Minus 4 minus 4x. Minus 4 minus 4x. Whole over 1 plus x 2 plus x का होल स्क्वायर plus 4x minus 4x will be cancelled out. Plus 4 minus 4 will be cancelled out. So we have got here dy over dx equal to in numerator we shall get only this one have been cancelled out. We will get only x square. So here I write x square whole over 1 plus x. I shall write 1 plus x, and here I shall write 2 plus x का whole square. This will be the last answer of dy over dx equal to y dash equal to x square over 1 plus x dot 2 plus x का whole square. In this case, now apply here restrictions, conditions, not restriction, conditions. Condition is that since put x equal to 0, 1, 2, put x equal to 1, 0, 2, you will get had dy over dx if you in denominator value of x, if you put here 0, you will get here 1. Here the value of x, if you put here 0, you will get here only 4. 2 to the 4, 1. Here put, in every case if you put here 1, in all cases here I shall write, since put x equal to 0, 1, 2, always dy over dx is greater than 0, implied that y dash is greater than 0. Hence, y is an increasing function in its domain. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 7. Exercise 6.2 NCERT 12th Mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.